In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you use Google Chrome as your main web browser, setting it as the default browser in Windows is very useful. This way, whenever you click on a link or open a web file, it will automatically open in Chrome. Chrome is also great because it syncs your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved websites across all your devices using your Google account. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. From here, click on Settings. If you don't see it, you can simply search for Settings at the top. Once the Settings window opens, click on Apps from the menu on the left. Then select Default Apps. Now, instead of choosing file types one by one, scroll down and search for Google Chrome in the app list. You can either scroll or type Chrome in the search box. Click on Google Chrome when you see it. At the top right, click on Set Default. This will make Chrome your default browser. If you want, you can also customize specific file types. For example, if web links or PDF files are still opening in Microsoft Edge, click on them, select Google Chrome, and then tap Set Default. You'll notice the icons update instantly. Scroll down and repeat this for any other file types you want Chrome to open. That's it. Google Chrome is now your default browser on Windows. From now on, links and web files will open directly in Chrome.